innovation. It's basically trying to move faster than changing consumer needs. That's it. You see three behaviors. The first behavior is where you actually move faster than consumer needs. So these are startups. They have such a strong way of cranking up the product development process. They're able to master that process, master and mature their ability to understand customer needs, and blend products and product development processes with humanities, arts, culture, blend them and create an experience that is very hard to beat. The second bucket of companies are those that move exactly at pace with changing customer needs. They basically react to the trends. So they look at startups and try to copy a lot of the concepts and they try to embed that in their organization. But behind these new products and services lies a legacy that is not going to allow that product to scale and to reach to more people and create the experiences that the first kind of companies would create. The third and final bucket is those companies that always move behind changing customer needs. They are never able to catch up. These are public sector companies, utilities, NGOs, a lot of think tanks that talk a lot about trends and what is going to happen in the future, but they themselves are not really geared to innovate. And they don't really need to. I mean, most public sector holdings are monopolies in most countries around the world. And as more companies develop and deliver products through digital channels, there will be more abundance of data, so data will explode. And so the future customer propositions and product propositions will largely emerge out of sophisticated understanding of data. But what you might find is some of these monopolies that you see today will die a very slow, painful death. I think that the guys in the middle are going to possibly catch up, but I think the startups are going to kill it over a long arc of time and become billion-dollar businesses. I mean, we're already seeing so many unicorns, so it's anyone's guess.